In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bills and purchase invoices in Zoho Books. A bill in Zoho Books is essentially a purchase invoice from your vendor. Recording it promptly keeps your expenses accurate and your accounts payable up to date. So let's walk through the exact flow from start to finish. First, sign into Zoho Books and land on the dashboard. This is your home base, where you can quickly gauge cash flow and recent activity. But for entering a vendor bill, we'll move straight into the Purchases area. From the left sidebar, open Purchases. This section houses everything you buy for the business bills, vendor credits, and more, so it's the right place to capture costs that you owe. Next, choose Bills. This shows your bill list with statuses and due dates. It's useful for tracking what needs attention, but since we're adding a new one, we'll continue. Select New to create a bill. Here's where the important details go. Pick the vendor first, so default currency, terms, and tax preferences load automatically. Enter the bill date and due date as shown on the vendor's document, and add the vendor's bill number to avoid duplicates later. In the line items, you can either choose items you track or book the cost directly to an expense account, whichever matches how you record that purchase. Add quantities, rates, and applicable taxes. If you work with projects or need to mark expenses as billable to a customer, set those fields here as well. Use the description field for clarity, like noting a service period. Double-check that the subtotal, tax, and total match the vendor's invoice. If you have the PDF or image, attaching it now can make future audits easier. When everything looks correct, click Save. Now, head back to the bills list and open the bill you want to work with. You can sort by created time or search by vendor or bill number. Opening the bill lets you review the totals, confirm the status is open, and make sure the due date and taxes are right before paying. When you're ready to reflect a payment, click Record Payment at the top. Choose the payment date, the account you paid from like your bank or cash account, and add a reference such as a check number or transaction note. If you're paying only part of the bill, enter the partial amount. Zoho Books will keep the remaining balance open. Add an internal note if needed, then save the payment. The bill status will update to paid or partially paid, and your accounts payable and bank balances will reflect the transaction. That's it. Dashboard, purchases, bills, new, save, open the bill, and record payment. Follow this flow each time to keep your vendor obligations clean and accurate.